Hello again, and let's talk about the contents of our course. In this course, we are first going to talk about types of joints. As welding process is a method to have a joint between two metals, we need to know some information about jointing types. Then we will have the definition of welding, what's welding, and what is this meaning. What we need to do welding process, the instruments that we need, like heat source, shielding. We will talk about heat source types and shielding types and distinguish between the advantages and the disadvantages of each type. Types of electrodes that we use in welding process. Uh, Joint types. How many joint can we do in welding and the difference between them. Different welding types, welding positions, welder types. Even welder, the man who do the process of welding, have types. We will know them in the course videos. The welding procedure and the documents that we need to do before we go to welding. And finally, we will talk about welding defects and the types of them.